Hey guys, I just wanted to drop a quick video review of a book that was recently published by Saturday AM. It's called Making Manga the Saturday AM Way. Now, it only took me about 2 days to read, and honestly, it was very smooth as just a record reading experience, and it was very informative. It's a great book, especially if you're thinking about creating your own manga series or comic. But full transparency, I do actually work for the company Saturday AM. I help out with like event planning and social media, so yes, I am a little close to this project, but that also means that I've seen firsthand how real and practical the information in this book is. I get to help out Saturday AM with their books, getting into comic stores, and I've gotten to organize community events. So I've experienced a lot of what's discussed in this book, and I can vouch and tell you how accurate and useful it all is. So when it comes to the actual contents of this book, I put little markers here to kind of guide you and show you what's in it. But this book covers a lot of different things, from developing your story to creating characters, page layouts and storytelling flow, drawing backgrounds, pitching to publishers or self-publishing, marketing, sales, licensing, merchandising, all of that stuff. And what really makes this book stand out from other how to draw manga guides is its strong focus on diversity and authenticity. Now, Saturday does encourage creators to tell stories based on their own life experiences, and I think that's a great way to teach people how to create manga. There's still this lingering idea that only Japanese creators can make manga, and while that's starting to change, this book helps push the conversation even further than that. It reinforces this message that manga is for everyone, no matter your race or your background or where you're from. If you got a story to tell, you can tell it, and you should be able to tell it. Now, another thing I really like and appreciated about this book is how many different voices are featured throughout. So it's not just one person giving you advice. You're going to hear from artists, writers, editors, anime producers, librarians, CEOs, and more. And that wide range of perspectives makes the book feel super rich and well-rounded. I think it's also refreshingly honest. It doesn't sugarcoat how tough this industry can be, but it does give you encouragement and some practical tools to help you take those first steps and keep going from there. And at the end of this book, I think it's, it's right here. Chapter 6, where you can test your skills. This section is really fun and interactive, and you get to kind of create your own manga panels. So it's a great way to start practicing your own manga skills. But final thoughts on this book. If you've been thinking about making your own manga or comic, but you don't know where to start, I think this book is a great place to begin. It's beginner friendly, it's educational, and it's packed with a lot of real advice from actual professionals and not social media people who claim to be experts in this but have no experience doing this. And this book is great too because it's age appropriate, so kids can read this, teens, adults. There's nothing in here that's going to be like raising the eyebrows from parents, nothing like that. But if you're an artist, definitely check out the How to Draw a Diverse Manga book that Saturday AM has as well. It's this book right here. You can also get it on Amazon, but it's a great companion to this book because this book really goes in depth about how to draw manga and manga characters. And also, if you want a book that kind of introduces you into the world of Saturday AM and all of the characters, check out this book too. It's called Saturday Wars. It's a great series. It has all of the characters and artists that are mentioned in this book. But yeah, that's about it for this book review, Making Manga the Saturday AM Way. Again, highly recommend this one if you're serious about making manga or you're just curious about how the process works. But I hope this review was helpful for you.